Hello students, we are gathered here to do the revision for 8th and 9th chapter. 8th chapter is Windows Movie Maker and 9th chapter is Google Apps. Okay, so we will start revising whatever we have learned. Just now I am not teaching, we will revise it. So we will go a little bit fast. Adding photos, videos or audio. To work in Movie Maker, you have to add videos, photos, audio and audio files. Click on Home tab, click on Add Video and Photos. See here, step number 2, you can add videos or photos. Accordingly, all the file details, folder details will get displayed. Out of that, either video or this photos you can insert. Okay. So next step is that adding music. If you want to add music, again there is a beside add photos and videos, there is a button add music in the home tab itself. So we have to click on that, navigate the folder from which you want to add music files and select that file and click on open. Now the selected music will be added and the green wave bar is added at the base of clips. See here, wave bar is shown here. So it is very easy to just rectify it, and if you'll click on play, the music will play for the photo or slide or whatever it is. Importing digital files from the external device. Whenever you are attaching a pen drive or a hard disk to your computer, you can take the files from photos or videos from there also. For that, what you have to do, you have to attach a pen drive or hard disk to your computer or system, then click on file tab, then import from device. Here you have to click. After that, it will show you which drive you have inserted. Here it is pen drive, so it will show me that detail of the pen drive, and I have to click on import, and then receive, review or organize and group them to import. Means only selected ones we will do, and click on next button. After that, all the folders and all the files, videos will get displayed. Out of that, select the one which you want, put a tick will come for that, and you have to give the name for it and the tag for it. Okay, and then click on import. Then the files after importing, a photo gallery will appear. Select each photo or video you want to use in your movie and click on create tab. See, create tab is getting displayed in the photo gallery. Click on create tab and click on movie. So the movie will get developed. Uh, Now the selected photos and videos are added to the story board in the movie maker. See, it is added to the storyboard in the movie maker, and then after that you can apply transition. Transition means after finishing the first slide or first video, before starting the second video, how it will change the screen. That is the transition period. Okay, a transition is a visual effect that appears when you move movie plays from one video clip or picture to the next. A transition effect can be used between two pictures, video clips or titles in any combination on the storyboard. So what you have to do, you have to click on animation tab. Any video and clip titles or picture storyboard timeline to which you want to add a transition, select that and then go to animation tab. After that, click the transition effect that you want to add. See here, after clicking on animation tab, a transition group is getting displayed. In that, you select the transition whichever you want, it will get applied to a single slide. If you want to apply to all the slides, you have to click on the option apply to all. See here, it is shown with the number 4 point. And then next is that if in between you want to change the time duration for the slides, that also you can do. The amount of overlap between the two clips determines the duration of transition. You can change the duration of transition by changing it here. Click on the arrow and select the increase or decrease the time of duration. Now applying visual effect. Movie Maker allows you to add special visual effects to your projects. These effects enhance the appearance of movie and give you a feel of professional touch. These effects include artistic black and white, cinematic mirror and motion and fade. For that, what you have to do, you have to click on any video clip, titles, pictures on the storyboard timeline to which you want to give visual effects. Click on the visual effects tab. Visual effect tab is here. After that, what you have to do, You can scroll the available visual effects, click the visual effect that you want to add. Here, Movie Maker immediately displays a preview of the visual effect which you are selecting. You can also click on play to see a preview of the effect which you looks like. Okay, so Movie Maker immediately displays a preview of the effect. Movie Maker adds an effect icon in the see here in the storyboard. Whenever we are giving visual effects, 4 dots like this on is coming on the slide, okay, or on the video whenever we are giving the visual effect. Now, after that, for all the slides, if you want to give the same effect, click on apply to all button. So all the slides will get the same effect. Here you can change the brightness also, whether you want more brighter, more light, or less brighter. Accordingly, you change the brightness as per your desire. Now you can add a title, caption and credits. Caption will come for the pictures or videos in between. Title is coming in the at the beginning of the slide this and credits will come at the end of the movie. Okay, so how to do that? For that, go to home tab. There is a title option, caption option and credit option. Select any one of this and give accordingly, and at the beginning it will get added. The title will get added at the beginning. While adding this title, you can change the text, you can format the text, that is you can change the font style, font color or the background color also. Okay, and the effect also, alignment effect also you can do, and click on preview button to see the changes you have made. Okay. Once you have added, if you want to remove it, you can remove it simply. Whatever title you have added, click on that in the storyboard or a timeline and just press mouse right button. It will give you these many options. Click on remove, it will get removed. Now editing media clips means you can trim, you can uh, make lesser time for that video or for that clip. Okay, so this is possible to, going through edit video tools, edit tab from video tools. Okay, and click on trim button. After clicking on trim button, it will ask you click on the trim markers to select the starting and ending point and enter the new value. Click on save trim. So you can see the part of video is trimmed. It is shortened. We have made the video shortened, that you can judge it. Now, after doing all this editing and formatting, we want to save our project. For that, what we have to do? We have to click on the File tab and Save option. A Save As dialog box comes, a Save Project dialog box comes in front of you. And there you have to select the folder and type the file name and click on the Save button. It will get saved. Now, after saving, you can share your project. For that, what you have to do? Click on the Home tab, click on the Save Movie button. Save Movie button is the last button, last option is shown here. The Save Movie dialog box appears. There you have to select the option. And now after that, what we have to do? It will start saving the movie, and after that, after saving the movie maker will displays a dialog box. Click on play. So the movie will start playing in Windows Media Player, and you can enjoy the movie whichever you have made. Now after this, we will see the next chapter, that is Google Apps. There are many applications related to Google Search, Google Accounts, Gmail accounts and so many. All the applications and services of Google are called Google Apps. Gmail, the product of Google Apps, which is used to send and receive emails. To gain access to all Google services, you must set up a Gmail account. Whenever you are setting a Gmail account, all these apps are free for you. Gmail becomes your point of entry to Google Apps. You can use any Google app by using Gmail user ID and password. Now, cloud computing. Cloud computing means storing and accessing data and over the internet rather than in the hard drive of your computer. Google apps are totally based on cloud computing. In traditional computing, when you want to start a new application software, you will need to install it in your computer before using it. To use an application that is run on the cloud, all that is needed to be done is to log in with a username and password, customize it and start using it. For this, you need a web browser and a internet connection. Now, what are these different Google apps are there? For surfing and research? Google Chrome. All of you know Google Chrome. What is the use of Google Chrome? On this, you can find out any information which you want. If you have a Google account or not, then also it will show you the Google Chrome. It is a web browser. Google Maps. Whenever you want to find out any place or the distance between two places, that all that is available on Google Maps. Google Translate. It is used to translate the language into another language. Google search engine, it is used as a search engine. Any information if you write in the Google browser, it will show you the result of it. Google Assistant. Google Assistant means it is going to assist you in many ways. Then Google Earth. Google Earth means it is showing you the satellite view of the earth, and it will help you to find out any particular place. Now we will see for staying in touch. Gmail. For sending and receiving sending and receiving mails, Gmail account is used. When means we can keep in touch with people. Google Blogger. Google Blogger, again, it is a app where you can write the blogs on your own, or you can see the blogs of the persons those who have created the blogs. Google Allo, again, it is used to meet the people. Google Duo and Google Allo is used to meet the people and give the audio and video facility in those meetings. Then for organizing your stuff, Google Calendar and Google Photos. Whenever you are gathering so many photos you are storing in your Google app, you can share those photos, you can edit those photos with the help of Google Apps, that is Google Photos. Google Calendar, whenever you are having so many appointments in every day, you can keep as a diary or a calendar, and you can write the information in that. Whenever you want to edit the information, it is very easy to edit the information. You can share this information which you have done on the Google Calendar also. Like your normal calendar, you are making e-calendar through Google Apps. And working smartly for that, Google Docs are there, Google Classrooms are there, and Google Drive, Google Chrome OS. That is, OS means operating system. Now here Google Docs means Google Documents, which we can store and we can share like your Word document, you can share the information. Google Classroom, here this is very helpful for student as well as teachers also. You can put any assignment, teachers can put any assignment, and as an answer students can fulfill that assignment, and they can revert back to teachers by sending it in the classroom. Google Drive, again, Google Drive, on the Google Drive you can store your personal information and or the files, and store data in that, and you can share the files from your Google Drive to any other person which is having the drive access. Google Chrome OS, that is operating system. For that you require a different laptop itself. Then for watching, listening and playing, YouTube, Google Play. Google Play, all of you know, it is a store, or it is a what you call app where you can get the applications which are based on Google. You can download it very easily on your PC or on your mobile also. YouTube, all of you know, it is a video channel through which you can see different videos. Google Android. Android is an operating system for mobile computing devices. Android is created and maintained by Google. It is widely used on smartphones and tablet computers. Google has released many variations of Android operating systems. Each version had a code name from a sweet food and in alphabetical order till now, but the latest version doesn't follow this format. Google devices. Google Pixel. It is an Android smartphone designed and marketed by Google. It includes all your favorite Google apps to bring you a fast, seamless and easy to use experience. All Pixel smartphones include very large storage for all your photos and videos. Pixel is the first phone with the Google Assistant built in. Okay, that's why it is not physically go and give you the experience of this, because I doesn't have the Google Pixel phone, so I can't give you the experience. So I have shown this slide. Google devices, in that Google Glass and Google Home. Google Glass, it is a wearable voice controlled Android device which looks like a pair of eyeglasses, means like your spectacles. It enables the user to view information or take photos and videos that are projected to a miniature screen in the user's field of vision. Users control the device through voice commands or by touching controls on its frame. Google Home. It is a voice-activated smart speakers developed by Google. Google Home speakers enables users to speak voice commands to interact with the services through Google Assistant. Google Home can play music, news, perform home automation tasks, and answer complicated questions. So this is the Google Assistant which we can make use to do our daily chores somewhat, or give instructions to it. It is going to fulfill the instructions. It is going to give the answers to us. With this, we have seen all the Google apps. While teaching the chapter, I have given you the experience also. I have told you to do the little bit small project on this also, to do some information, to write some information using Google Docs and Google Slides. You can make the presentation also. If you have not done, do that. Yes, you will get the experience of doing this, and you will come to know these things better. Okay, with this, I have completed the revision part. So all of you do well in your exam, study well for the exam. Okay, then bye. See you.